Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix Tapo outdoor camera keeps going offline, Wi-Fi signal, power and firmware guide. Fix 1. Check the Wi-Fi signal strength. Open the Tapo app and check the camera's Wi-Fi signal status. Now move the camera closer to your router if the signal is weak and remove obstacles such as thick walls, metal objects or large appliances between the camera and router. Fix 2. Restart the camera and router. Unplug the Tapo camera from power and turn off your Wi-Fi router. Now wait for about 30 seconds, then turn the router back on and wait for the internet connection to return. Then reconnect power to the camera and check if it stays online. Fix 3. Verify the power supply. Make sure the camera's power adapter is firmly connected. Then check the cable for damage or loose connections and try a different power outlet if available. Then ensure the camera receives stable power at all times. Fix 4. Reconnect the camera to Wi-Fi. Open the Tapo app and remove the offline camera from the app if necessary. Then press and hold the camera's reset button for about 5 seconds. Now follow the setup instructions to reconnect it to your Wi-Fi network. And make sure you enter the correct Wi-Fi password. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.